Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be looking at MCOM, which is micromobility, which was previously HLBZ Helbiz. The reason as well they created this new ticker was, if we go over to HLBZ, obviously it came down to basically around 10 cents by the time this kind of share closed, and so what they did was a reverse stock split 1 to 50. And so then that's when we moved over to MCOM. And again, the reason they did that reverse stock split is because they were at risk of being delisted by the NASDAQ. So now they've kind of relisted under this new name, a rebranding. IPO'd, obviously, because it was at 1 to 50, IPO'd around that $4 mark. Since then has fallen another 37%. So from a stock that was basically at 10 cents, it has now basically come down to around 6 cents if you're looking at it from a HLBZ perspective. So really, it is one of those stocks, and it's one of those reasons. If you see a stock at 10 cents, doesn't mean it can't go lower. A stock that's fallen 90% can continue to fall another 90%, and from that 90%, obviously another 90%. They can just keep continuing to fall. So buying these stocks, again, not anything I would ever touch, because I think there's just so much risk on the table, and you're really just buying a losing product most of the time. But if we were looking at trading at MCOM, what are key levels I would be looking for? A bounce around that psychological $2, and also is a first deviation on the 1 year. But again, considering it's a recent IPO, these levels will change so rapidly and won't really uphold. So really, it will just be looking at those key psychological levels. So that $2, and I'll be paying attention to that 150 as a support. And if we ended up pushing up back up to the upside, $3 as resistance, 350. I think these are going to be the key levels I'd be paying attention to over on MCOM. Looking for a bounce off either of these levels will probably be quite probable, but again, not something I'm touching myself just because of HLBZ and, you know, it continuing to fall even as it's rebranding. I think there's just a lot of risk, especially if you're trading at long buys. So yeah, just not going to be something I touch personally. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video.